How to download a song from Mureka AI. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Mureka AI and log into your account. Then on the left side, you'll find Create Music. Here you'll find the music you want to download. You can also click on Library on the left side. You'll find all the musics you've created. Now to download, click on the arrow facing downwards. Then you'll find different options to download. You will need a pro version to install. You can find download video option or download MP3. But to download the audio, you will need to subscribe. There's no one way to download, so you can simply upgrade and then download it in here. This is how to download a song from Mureka AI. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.